In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show rulers and guides in Affinity Photo. If you've ever tried to line up text, images, or shapes and found yourself eyeballing it, this will make your workflow faster and far more precise. Rulers and guides give you clear reference points so everything snaps into place with confidence. Let's start by turning on the rulers. On the desktop version of Affinity Photo for both Windows and Mac, go to the top menu and choose View, then click Show Rulers. You'll know they're on when you see a check mark next to that option, and horizontal and vertical rulers will appear along the top and left edges of your document. These rulers display measurements for your canvas, which makes it easier to gauge spacing and placement at a glance. If you ever want to hide them, you can come back to the same menu and toggle them off. Here's a quick tip that builds on that. Once the rulers are visible, you can use them to create guides directly on your canvas. Simply click on a ruler and drag into the document area. Dragging down from the top ruler creates a horizontal guide, perfect for aligning baselines or top edges. Dragging right from the left ruler creates a vertical guide, great for lining up columns or centered objects. As you drag, you'll see a line follow your cursor, and when you release the mouse button, that guide stays put on the canvas. If you don't see any guides after dragging from a ruler, they might be hidden. To make them visible, go back to the View menu and click Show Guides. Again, a check mark means guides are currently visible. Turning this on doesn't add or remove guides. It simply shows or hides any guides you've created. So if guides seem to have disappeared, this is the toggle to check. With rulers on and guides visible, you can add as many guides as you need to structure your layout. Use horizontal guides to keep elements aligned across rows, and vertical guides to maintain even spacing between columns or to center content consistently. If precision matters, watch the measurement markings on the rulers as you drag so you can place guides at exact positions. And remember, each guide will remain on the canvas right where you release the mouse, giving you a reliable reference as you build your design. That's all you need to start using rulers and guides effectively in Affinity Photo. Turn on the rulers, make sure guides are visible, and drag from the rulers to place guides exactly where you need them.